Welcome to QuickCoach, the training library for WorldVentures reps on the go. Let's talk about making your list. The number one rule is don't prejudge. Are you excited about WorldVentures? Of course you are. But what if your friend never invited you because they prejudged you? What if they said to themselves, oh, well, they're too young or too old, they've got too much money or not enough, or they're too busy, too educated, they don't travel, or they wouldn't do something like this? See, it's not your job to pressure anyone to become a customer, a rep, or both. It's your job to share this with everyone and let them make an educated decision. Create your list by putting your friends' names and numbers onto paper. That's right, it's no good in your phone or on Facebook. You want to write everyone down. This will do a few things. 1, it will help hold you accountable. You'll be able to physically mark off those you've talked to and track your progress. 2, it will boost your confidence. Success in this business or any other is based on perseverance and is largely mental. You only fail if you quit, and people usually only quit when they get discouraged. So if you constantly see this big list of people you still haven't talked to, you'll stay energized even when people say no along the way. 3, your list shows your friend how serious you are, giving you power. Every new business needs customers, and your list is a critical step on your path to success. Soon you'll have a list of hundreds, but phase 1 starts with your hot market, meaning the most comfortable to talk to. Typically, these are your closest friends and family, people who already know you, like you, and trust you. If you got 4 flat tires in the middle of nowhere and you only had 1% battery life left on your phone, who are the 5 to 10 people that you'd call for help? Write them down and invite them ASAP. Then, in your off-peak hours, you'll want to expand your list with phase 2, your warm market. To help, think of 3 types of people: the driven, the fun-loving, and the dissatisfied. Pause the video if you need to and start writing as we go through these. The first type are the driven, the competitive ones. Who do you know that played sports at a high level? They're focused, disciplined, and they know how to push through pain to their goals. Who do you know who owns their own business? They already know what entrepreneurship is all about, that you have to push through no's to get yeses. Many of them are slaves to their businesses on a treadmill they can't get off, so they'll be open to this. Who do you know that works on commission? They have to sell something in order to get paid. Who always wants to win and get ahead? Maybe they work a second job, or they're always looking for that little leg up. The second type is your social butterfly. Who's the first one out on an empty dance floor, dragging people with them? Who's on the social committee at your church, or the PTA, or maybe the prom committee? Who do you know with a 10,000 megawatt smile that wears animal prints, bright colors, or big dangly jewelry? These are the people that love to express themselves and love to have fun. The last kind of person may be dissatisfied with where they are in their life. They're not lazy, but these are the people who are fed up with where they are and are ready for a change. Who do you know that's sick and tired of being sick and tired? Who really hates their job? Maybe they've even been laid off. Who hates the car they drive, or hates dropping off their kids at daycare, or anyone in between? Again, don't prejudge. Our membership, business, or both could be exactly what our friends are looking for. That should get you over 100 names pretty easily, but you'll always keep adding to it. Time to start inviting. Now get back in the game.
Thanks for watching QuickCoach, your go-to solution when you need help fast. To access our complete library of in-depth audio and video trainings, be sure to get the WorldVentures Advantage. But for the absolute best training WorldVentures has to offer, make sure you reserve your seat at the next live training event. And next time you need a quick tip before you call your mentor, check out QuickCoach.